Here I have Motorola Moto G10, and today I'm going to show you how to enable portable hotspot on this device. So firstly, you'll have to go to the settings, or you can find you can go to the upper bar, and here you have the button hotspot. By tapping on it once, you can switch hotspot. By holding your finger on it, you can access its settings. For example, here in the hotspot you can change its name, you can hide your device here, you can change security protocol, here you can change its password. In advanced you can also change its AP band. Here you can manage connected devices, you can also set device limit here, and you can set timeout for your hotspot. After how many minutes of inactivity it will automatically turn off. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.